Whether you prefer an authentic simulation or a more casual experience, Rory McIlroy PGA Tour delivers golf your way. Mastering your swing is the key to becoming a champion golfer. Choose from 3 unique settings to suit your play style. Arcade controls offer a traditional way to play. Control your swing with the analog stick with the ability to apply power and spin where needed. Classic controls reintroduce the 3-click style you may remember from classic versions of EA golfing games. While easy to pick up, classic controls are difficult to master, as you don't have the ability to add power and spin to your shot. Tour offers the most authentic way to play, taking both your backswing length and follow-through speed into account. The Tour swing mechanic prohibits you from zooming in on your target, so you'll need to take advantage of the new hole map for course navigation, delivering a truly authentic experience. Additionally, we've made sure each course is individually tuned with its own characteristics. Florida courses such as TPC Sawgrass will play soft with the ball not traveling far after landing. By comparison, links courses such as Royal Troon will have much firmer fairways and greens, causing the ball to bounce and roll much further. And we've rewritten the ball physics engine to make interaction with vegetation more realistic. Your ball now has the chance to continue on its trajectory or get caught up and bounce around in the trees unpredictably. For more gameplay information, be sure to check out this link in the annotation.